Okay, today is still November 6th, and I do believe you just learned to throw a ball. Get that ball! And you see me and you cry. Throw the ball! Were you throwing it? Were you throwing this ball? Yay! The first time you're throwing balls, baby! Yay! Here! Uh-oh! Oh, Mommy's gotta get it. Here you go. Get it! Throw it! Throw it! Yay! Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, 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 oh. Throw it! Yay! Yay! You were just in here in the hall and figured that out on your own. You're so smart. Look at there. You'll be doing calculus next week, won't you? Yeah. Get it. Say stop, ball. You are too funny. Yay, Jenna! Do it. Throw it.